Hey guys, stick around if you want to see me dye my hair and get a little cute apartment tour. It is 9 a.m. and I just took a pathophysiology exam and I've been stressed about it all week. I knew it was gonna be so hard, and it was. And like, I'm okay with my score. I'm definitely not happy with it, but it's also not the end of the world because I knew how hard it was gonna be, and they're gonna go back and add some partial credit, so I really hope I get bumped up a little bit. Sorry, my camera died. But yeah, I took like a nice half an hour break. I just laid on the couch because I am mentally drained now. I made some toast. I kind of pretended it was a bagel, and I did cream cheese and put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and sesame seeds. It's really good. I've never had that on toast before, but it's good. I'm also having a Premier protein drink. I haven't worked out the past few days because I was studying for my test so much, so I'm excited to get back to it today. I probably won't film for the next few hours because I'm just gonna be doing homework and in Zoom, so I'll catch up with you in a bit. Hey, it's only noon, but I actually got out of class early, so I'm really happy about that. I'm about to head to the gym. It's leg and booty day. I'm so excited. Well, I'm not excited, I'm kind of dreading it, but I know I'll be happy afterwards, so excited for that. I started writing my workouts down before, and I'm just bringing it with me, and then I'm keeping track of everything in a little notebook so I can keep track of how heavy my weights are. I think that's a really good way to see your progress of how you're getting stronger. So hang on, one more really cute thing. My boyfriend knew how stressed I've been about this test, and Tyler paid you to go get your nails done. He's so cute. So I'm gonna get my nails done today too and dye my hair, so like I'm really excited. Yeah. All right, workout is done. I showered. I did not wash my hair because I'm gonna be dyeing it later. I just threw on a cozy outfit, this gray long sleeve under a t-shirt and some sweatpants. And let's go to Target. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Target or get my nails done first. I don't know, but they're right next to each other, so let's go. Yo, I'm starving and I'm really tired. I bet some food would fix that. I hope I don't like pass out while I'm getting my nails done. I have a super sensitive body. I've never actually passed out, but like I get all lightheaded and stuff when I don't eat. I guess if I went to Target I could grab a snack first. But I don't really want to pay for a snack. But I didn't tell you the reason I'm going to Target. I'm really excited because I did like an online order, so like all my stuff's already all packaged up. And I got some makeup that I need, so I'm really excited. I saw this TikTok with this girl with gorgeous eyelashes, and she said the best mascara combination. So I had to order one on Amazon, but I got the other one here. And then I'm also going to try the, oh crap. I did not mean to turn there. Now I'm on the freeway. Well, hang on. I want to get unlost now. Ugh, that really sucked. But I'm here now. So I decided I'm going to go to Target first and grab a snack. But yeah, the other thing I'm picking up is, you know what, I'll just show you after I have it. Alright, mini Target haul for you. While I was picking up my snack, which I got a, like, off-brand Lunchables, I grabbed some other things I wanted. Havarti cheese for sandwiches, some avocados, and some dino chicken nuggets. Can never have enough chicken nuggets. And then for my pickup, I got my hair dye for today. Super excited. I got a new face lotion, just CeraVe, fragrance free. The mascara is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which I heard is as good as high-end brands. I was using a NYX one that was pretty good, but I'm excited to try this out. My NYX one just ran out. Alright, we should get to the nail salon because I have those frozen chicken nuggets now. Oh, but I gotta eat my snack. Oh my gosh. I will see you with some cute nails. I am back home. I would rate this place I went to like 3 out of 5 stars. Don't get me wrong, I'm really happy that I had them done, and I'm so thankful, Tyler, for you paying to get my nails done. They look really good from out here, but if you look at them close, some of them are like splotchy. They don't really go to the edges, so I'll have to try out somewhere different next time. But I'm really happy to have them done. I haven't had my nails painted in like months, in nursing school we're only allowed to have really light neutral colors. I don't remember if I said that already. All right, I guess it's about time to dye my hair. Oh my gosh. All right, opened our box here. Whoop. I always forget they put the gloves inside of the instructions. Hello. All right, these are pretty straightforward. I've dyed my hair multiple times. I will actually link my hair videos down below, or just it'll be called my physical transformations, because I have like tattoos, piercings, hair dye, that kind of stuff, all in one playlist. All right, put colorant tube into the developer, shake for 30 seconds, and then leave it on your hair for 30 minutes after you're done. So this is gonna be a really rough before, because this is like 3rd day hair, but it'll make for a good before and after picture, because yikes. Yeah, it doesn't usually look this bad. I swear I had it in messy buns for the past 2 days. So it looks darker on camera, but it's actually pretty light down here where I've had highlights a couple times. But we're just gonna go back to my natural, and I'm really excited. Oh, almost spilled some on the floor, but it just got on the side there. If you've ever seen one of my videos, you see I'm definitely not a professional. I'm gonna start at the roots because it'll obviously take it really fast in the lighter sections of my hair. Hopefully this is a good color. There's like 1,000 browns. This one is 5.03 medium neutral brown. Looks like a really pretty chocolatey. I'm gonna come over here because last time I did this, I got the color all over my door and stuff at my home, and this is my apartment, so I definitely don't wanna do that. And as you all know, I am very unorganized with this, so I'm just going to put a couple stripes in my hair and rub it in. Wish me luck. Ooh, it smells really good. I've definitely done some of these that smell like pee, and it's terrible. You like can't breathe when you're doing it. I can actually breathe. I think that the main reason why box dyeing your hair is seen as really bad for you is because most of them have ammonia in it, and so the one that I'm using does not have ammonia. Oh darn, I should have put some lotion on the edges of my forehead and my ears, because then it won't stain your skin. I'm dyeing my hair right now.
You're dyeing your hair? What color are you dyeing?
Just my natural brown. Thank you for paying for me to get my nails done.
Oh yeah.
That was so sweet. Okay guys, it's been half an hour and it's time to shower this out, and they gave me a little bottle of after color conditioner, so I'm gonna use that and I'll show you when I come out. And boom, my hair is back to natural. Oh my gosh, it looks like black against this shirt in the lighting. So I've decided I'm not going to blow dry it. So I'll have to wait a few hours and then come back to show you the final results. I just think that blow drying is a waste of heat on your hair. You know, I'd rather be able to curl it or straighten it or something. But I was honestly really nervous to do this because I liked how my hair was before. But now that I did it, I'm so happy. It definitely needed to be freshened up. I'm also gonna do my makeup, so next time you see me, I'm gonna be looking fresh. I'm so excited. Okay, bye. Hey friends, it's actually the next day because I didn't want to do my makeup and stuff yesterday. But this morning I did straighten my hair and wow! I am so happy with it. Back to my natural, I'm in love. Couldn't be happier. Now, I'm trying to get out the door to go to my boyfriend's house. Ooh, this is good lighting. Oh, I need to take like pictures here, oh my gosh. Okay, but anyway, let's get on with this apartment tour. So you walk in the door. Also, it's a little messy right now. I'm packing and I'm in nursing school, so I'm busy. Here we go. It's a very open space. I have this couch which folds out into a bed, which is nice if people stay. Got this TV, Xbox, gotta play that Call of Duty. My boyfriend got me this nice fake plant for my birthday. Got all these vines from Amazon, and I love the twinkle lights. I have a whiteboard for studying. Just got an art wall with some cute family photos. Here's little baby Emma. Here's really baby Emma. Then come over here, like I said, it's a little messy. I got this cute little rug and table set from Amazon. This is my pink wall. I thought it'd be cute for pictures. I printed all of these and ordered them from Walgreens. I made a TikTok about it and all my Polaroids. I have a bunch more to add here. Got this pink lamp, and I have some Halloween stuff around the apartment that I all got from Dollar Tree. So they were all literally $1. They're so cute. Here's my kitchen. I love it. It's so cute. Over here I have this essential oil diffuser, and this is a Google Home. I have all my plant babies. Nice double sink. I love this corner. It's super cute. I love having a lamp in here. Got this cute fall towel. Oh, and also those skeletons. Over here, I have all my white appliances. I have a blender. My brother got me an air fryer for my birthday. I have this toaster. Here's a water filter because the tap water here tastes nasty. And I also get HelloFresh meals, which is awesome. Down this hallway, I have my washer and dryer. And then here's my bathroom, beach themed, of course. Here's my shower. I try to roll up my towels like a little spa. Got some more stuff down there. Do you like my bloody help thing? $1. But oh my gosh, this hair, I love it. So happy I did it. Honestly, I'm a pretty clean person and this place is like always clean. But this past week has been crazy, so my room is definitely the messiest. I have a pile of clean clothes and a pile of dirty clothes that I haven't put away. So there's my desk. I pretty much only use it for like makeup and getting ready in the morning. This bed is so comfy, oh my gosh. Here's my art wall. I did most of it, but then I just have a couple like postcards, coloring pages that I did. This poster, a record album. My brother did that one, but then I did the rest. A couple of my favorites. Red Panda. This Muscle Dude. And then, oh my gosh, I have a walk-in closet. Each section is organized by the rainbow colors and then white to black. Here are my scrubs. Here are all my jackets and sweatshirts. Here are all of my tops, my pants, my shorts, dresses, bins for socks and underwear, and I have swimsuits, bags. I have some of Tyler's clothes here, socks that I can't find matching pairs of, and then extra bags up there. If you guys want a full-on like closet tour where I show you kind of everything, I would be so down because I'm obsessed with my closet. I think that's where I'll end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of my hair, if you liked it better blonde or with highlights or dark red or even purple. What was your favorite? I'll link all of my transformations down below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you enter my giveaway. It ends on Halloween. All right, guys, have a great day. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.